Mukama yeebazibwe. That's me saying praise God. Anyway, welcome back here. This is an Xperia XZ2, and the thing definitely had a dead screen, so we are going to show you how you would otherwise remove the old screen so as to be able to place the new screen. Now, one thing you need to know is that the screen actually is held by adhesive around the frame, so you would have to put it first down onto a hot surface or use hot air and blow around to soften the adhesive around the peripheries. And having done that, this will lift out like that, and then when you get inside, there's a piece of plastic that covers here. Right now I can't see it, so I won't be able to show you that, but after you've removed a black piece of plastic that presses the connector down into the socket, you will be able to use your fingernail to rip that out, and that will come out, and lo and behold, this is out. Now I figured I should just proceed to show you how you would replace the battery, because right now I can see that this is bulging out, and I need to examine whether the battery inside is still intact or it is swelling up. And as such, we're going to remove these screws. So this is how you would get under. So this is the wrong screwdriver tip. Let me get the right screwdriver, and this is that. Having done that, next thing is to open up. So we beginning with this, we want to get this plate out such that we can get to the battery. So the screws are out. Which other one I think that should have? Then there's this right here. So next is that. I think because there are different dimensions, we need to strive to remember where they come from. I hate this tendency, the Apple tendency of putting screws of different dimensions. I mean, this doesn't really make sense to me, and them trying to complicate our lives. So alright, last screw is open. Last screw. So this is our battery. Here clearly it shows that it is swollen, and next thing is we are going to open. Okay, so disconnect that, and just like that, this battery comes out. It's also held in place by screws, so this is actually bulging, and that is something eventually this person will have to deal with in the future. So I do not know whether I can relieve some of the pressure in it, or just close the phone and they have a battery to deal with anyway. So this is the battery, and this is how you get it out. So while inside, I think the next stage is just to disconnect this battery from this casing, and then the rest will be good. But because it is swelling, I want to find a way of relieving that pressure. And please do not try this at home. It's just that, but eventually I know they will need to replace this battery because it keeps bulging and pushing against the screen. So now, having done that, I'm going to introduce a small hole. How are you? So let me just finish this recording. And by the way, guys, if you reach this far in the video, I request that you hit the subscribe button. It will be very beneficial to I and to you. I mean, you really want me to keep coming back with newer and newer content. Hello. So we're back now. I have got myself some bit of tape, so I'm going to just anchor this surgical blade to the side, then go in there, and that's enough for me to release most of the air in there. I am forced to have to squeeze it out, and you'll bear with me. Okay, having squeezed it out like that, I need the sellotape to come in and then block that gap of any air that would want to go inside. But yeah, this is just me trying to make sure this battery is not bulging from the inside, causing my screen problems. The one I'm going to place. Let me lift it a bit and push out more of the air. I think that's sufficient. Put that back. Okay, that's there now. Okay, I'll plug this back in and then we'll bring this cover. Now in the next video I'm just going to show you how I put a new screen onto this, so that you guys can have fun doing it for your devices. Alright, now for this slab here, I think I'm also going to be exerting some pushing force on it downward so that we can make sure that it is pressed down as we put the screws. Now I noticed on the right side of the phone there were fewer screws, so I'm just going to distribute these available screws evenly across. So I think I can say I've already shown you how we replace the battery of this device, and in the next video we're going to show you how to place a new screen on it. Okay, right, and the next will be here. All right, and then I think let me put here. Okay, and then these other two unique ones come here right over the motherboard. I have a feeling I should have bent this downwards. Let me first unscrew and do just, I know. So guys, I am bending it so this side is more depressed, and yeah, I don't want it bulging under my screen. Now let's see if that is a profitable thing to do. In other words, will we be happy with the result? I hope so. Okay, is that edge right, then that right, then there right, and there. This is short. That's strange. Okay. Bring that there. Now our last two, the small ones. Okay. So thanks for watching. Please do hit the subscribe button, and I am questioning whether I should have put there. I'm going to transfer this down this side to that. Okay, then I think we have a screw trying to hide underneath here. Why do that? Okay, then that goes there. Now I think this side should be fine, if anything. Strangely, the screws that should, yeah, it's well. It's the best I could do. See you in the next video.